Welcome to another edition of Flex Rental Solutions how-to videos. Today we're going to be going over a new configuration on a new update that will be coming shortly to be able to turn off the suggestions in the drag and drop functionality. So we've got certain customers who have gone, shall I say, hog wild on suggestions when they configure stuff. And then they decide midstream, maybe the suggestions isn't exactly what I'm looking to do. And so the way we look at things, I have this one item called front of house contains the following. And we've got lots of different suggestions here. There is now a new setting under projects and project settings, whether you want the auto suggestions enabled, yes or no. So with it set to no, and we go into the quote and drag and drop an item, it did not launch these suggestions for us. We can still go back after the fact and click and relaunch our suggested items here. But this allows us on the drag and drop to just drop things in without a suggestion dialog appearing. If we want to re-enable that, again, projects, project settings, and if we turn our auto suggestions enabled to yes and update that, now if we go back to our quote, I'm going to remove these items, delete selected line items. Front of house contains the following. Now the suggestion dialog will appear when you add the item. Again, no matter whether you enable them or not, you can always go back and relaunch the suggestions. But this basically allows you as a administrator to have a global setting whether you want the suggestions to be able to launch when you add the items into the detail block automatically. Once the item is in there, whether that setting is set to yes or no, you can always return to the cogwheel and relaunch the suggestions. So for certain customers who change their mind midstream of configuration and don't want to go and remove all the suggestion settings, this will save a lot of time to be able to turn off those suggestions, turn them on or off as a global setting for all users. If you have any questions, please contact support@flexrentalsolutions.com, and this will be updated on the YouTube site later on. And let us know what we can do to help. Thanks. Bye-bye.